Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. I'm on a trip to Home Depot to get some filler for a tire. I've tried slime, I've tried Fix-A-Flat, I've got a couple of tires on a lawn tractor, it doesn't work. So I figured I'd stop over here and check out the snow blowers. So these are the new Ariens Deluxe 28. Nice headlight. The thing about this, what I noticed is that these new snowblowers have Chinese clone engines on them. I don't think anybody uses Briggs & Stratton anymore. It's a shame. So it doesn't have any indication of any kind of engine type. It just has an Ariens on there. So that's an Ariens. This over here is a Toro. Toro, great American company, right? Always made really good quality stuff. Same engine. It's a Chinese clone engine, man. Damn shame. I mean, I'm Chinese myself. I'm not knocking the Chinese. I'm saying, hey, if you can build a motor that is more reliable and cheaper than Briggs & Stratton, I guess these are where all the manufacturers are going for, right? But I mean, how is Briggs & Stratton surviving if all the engines now are going to China, you know? 252 cc's. I mean, it looks nice. It looks just like a clone, though, of Briggs & Stratton. Alright, so that's a Toro. Okay, look at this. Cub Cadet. Fantastic. Fantastic company. Great snowblowers. I've never owned one because it's so expensive. And it looks like that's also a Chinese clone engine. So they're all Chinese clone engines. Briggs & Stratton doesn't make any of these. I mean, they make engines, but I mean, they're not putting them on any snowblowers for sure, you know? You guys see a name of this engine at all? I don't see any. That's a nice snowblower, man. $1,200. The Toro 824 OE, not bad. $800. And the Ariens, you know these Ariens go for a lot of money. $10.99. Made in the USA, huh? Not the engine. I'm over here checking out these lawnmowers. Here's this Cub Cadet, and they're using Kohler. This thing is $2,400. Here's a Toro time cutter. It's a badass machine, man. That's $26.59, and it uses, I believe this is a Briggs, right? Can't tell, man. I just took a picture of the label of the engine shroud, and it says Minnesota on it, so I'm not sure who makes that engine. There's a Poulan Pro PP19A42. It's a 42-inch wide cut. Intech. It's Briggs. Okay, so they still make tractors. $1,200.